device. You see, there's almost no button on this device at all anymore. Does it matter? Absolutely it does. If you want to have uncompromised design, it's more important what you omit than what you add to a phone. So we've taken this to an extreme, and that's why the N9 is, of course, our flagship device in Nokia's range. You see that we spend a lot of time in the craftsmanship. This is a polycarbonate product. That means the colors we have, they're really not just painted on it and will crack. This product you can drop, and essentially it will remain good looking. So you don't need to worry about scratching. Essentially, it's one of the best pieces of engineering we have done. That means we are running very hard labor to get the product. We are chiseling out each detail. For example, this camera piece, we're chiseling out the pieces with precision manufacturing just to make sure there's no split lines. You can compare it maybe to your Audi that you are driving. That's essentially created with the best craftsmanship you can find in the industry, making this a premium product that people will aspire to. A loudspeaker that would fill the whole room just with music, and you can just tap on it with NFC technology, connect to it, and it plays your music nicely around the world. So again, everything is designed with the new colors that we are launching with the Nokia N9. And for those that the 3 colors we have launched today are not good enough, we are also thinking about different ways you can personalize it. So if you have a yellow dress in the summer, you might have one day a yellow. Not that fast. Device wakes up, and just with a swipe, and not only from that direction, any direction, you can unlock the device. So that's it's very simple. And here's the applications view I talked about. So you just essentially open an app and swipe it away. Open an app. And, no? Hello. There it goes. Swipe it away. Wow. So it's as simple as that. So the navigation becomes, you see how fast the apps are there. Again, this is because of all the performance and the apps essentially being live. It allows us to just swipe the app away. In case you're worried that, oops, where is my phone button on the device? We also have a little nitty-gritty thing invented. We have a quick launch bar. So in case, the unlikely event, you need buttons directly on the device from anywhere in apps, you can launch the quick launcher and get started there. In case you make that urgent phone call and you don't remember that, oops, everything is a swipe away. So the app's navigation is very simple. You open it, you swipe it away. And then the other way to look at things is, of course, here my events view. So essentially all my social networks are here. Have people happily blogging about the launch event in Singapore, and then of course my blog post as well. So, and going back to the applications view is the view where everybody feels at home to start with. But of course, the third view, and maybe the most powerful one, is then the Open Apps view, where everything is arranged just in the order you used it last time. So this is like widgets personalized all the time. This is dynamic personalization. It continuously shows the widget or little window, a thumbnail, however you want to create it, and shows what's happening in the app. And this is organized by your usage. So no N9 will look like the other one when you show it, because this is how you have used it. And then a couple of examples, like the Maps app. Now for the first time with public transportation. So you see here the metro lines and the bus lines floating about. Can you see it? Yeah, you can guess. And it's best. Of course, great browser also needs to be there, and here we have where's the noble Russia guy? He's there. Thanks for writing that one. So he was essentially happy that we're finally there. Yes. We made it. It took a while. So thanks for that one. Very fast browser that we have there. And I have it already open. So essentially, you got all your apps that you need. And for example, you can see here multiple conversations that are ongoing. And again, I assume you have more than one friend. So that's why we want to have multiple conversations ongoing at the same time. So here's, for example, another one where Tatjana's, that's Tatjana and me. You don't want to know what Tatjana is missing. You get the idea. Here, for example, is a Russian app helping me to find the bus. That has been developed already, one of the first efforts that we've done behind the scenes, just to get apps done also for the Russian market, and there's a lot more to come. But you kind of get the idea how simple it is this device has. And if you say that a 3x3 grid on the Open Apps view ain't particularly good, so then what you do is essentially, whoops, you change it to a 2x2 screen, and then it makes it more easy to actually see what conversations are incoming here. So you can choose whether you do a 3x3 or whether you do 2x2. So essentially we have a very smart UI that